Good morning, friends, and a very warm welcome to all of you in this e-learning program that is organized by Shri Gyan Manjari Vidyapith. I, Harsha ma'am, welcome you in this session. So, welcome to Science by Harsha ma'am. In our today's session, we are going to carry forward with the numerical that we had started with. Here is the numerical. A girl weighing 50 kilograms is standing on pencil heels. Each is having an area of cross section of 1 centimeter square. Then second, an elephant weighing 2000 kg and foot area cross section of about 250 centimeters square standing on the floor, for which of these two will exert more pressure on the floor? That is what is asked to us. Now friends, we have already done such type of question. We have been asked over here that what is the pressure which is exerted by the girl and by the elephant. Then we need to compare on what is given. So here we have been given about the girl. So pressure exerted by girl we are going to talk about this first and later about the elephant. A girl is weighing 50 kg. So, mass of the girl is what? Then, where is she standing on? Pencil heels. Each is having the cross section of 1 centimeter square. So, what is the area? This is of just one heel. Girl is having how many legs? 2. Assuming that she is not lame. So, if we talk about this girl, 2 pencil heels she is wearing. So, total cross sectional area of the 2 pencil heels will be 2 centimeter square. So, total area is 2 centimeter square. Next given to us is how much pressure both of them will exert. Now for that, first we need to convert this into meter square. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 1 meter square will be 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. Therefore, 2 centimeter square will be how many meters square? So, area is equal to 2 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1 upon 5000 meters square. Clear? Coming to mass of the girl. Mass of the girl is 50 kilogram. In the beginning, we have studied when we were doing the units of the force that 1 kilogram force is approximately equal to 10 Newton. Therefore, what is the weight of the girl? 50 kilogram force will be approximately equal to 15 to 10, which is 500 Newton. So this is the area which we got and this is the force that we are having. Coming to the main formula, pressure is equal to force upon area. What is the force? 500 Newton. What is the area? 1 upon 5000. Which is here denominator's denominator will come into the numerator. So what we are having over here is 5 into 5, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pressure exerted by the girl is 25 lakh Newton per meter square. That is the pressure which is exerted by the girl. Before we do further, just read this, only read this once. Just read it, go through it. The numerical is yet left out and I am going to complete it just now. You just have to read it. One such numerical we have already done, but this is just for your reference. I am going to teach whole numerical once again, but just now, just go through it. Yet time is not given for copying. Now, what is given is, we are going to talk about the elephant who is weighing 2000 kg and the foot area of cross section is 250 centimeters square. Similar thing now needs to be carried out for elephant. So here we are going to talk about pressure exerted by elephant. Okay, what is the mass given? Elephant is weighing 2000 kg. So mass of the elephant will be 2000 kg. What will be the force that is exerted by the elephant? The force that is exerted by the elephant will be 2000 multiplied by 10. Which is 20,000. Clear? Okay, now let's move further. Foot area of cross section is 250 centimeters square. So, here the area of 1 foot of elephant is 250 centimeters square. How many foot now elephant is having? How many legs it is having? It's having 4 legs. So, for if 1 we are having the area of 250 centimeter square. For 4, the area will be what? It will be 250 into 4. So here, area of cross section will be what? 250 into 4, which is 1000 centimeter square. Okay? Again, we need to convert it into meter square. 1 meter square is 10,000 centimeter square. 1000 centimeter square will be how many meters square? So 1000 upon 10,000. 0 0 chochai, again 0 0 chochai, again 0 0 chochai, so you are having 1 by 10 meter square. Now next, pressure. What is pressure equal to? Force upon area. What is the force? 20,000 Newton. What is the area? 1 upon 10. Denominator's denominator, where will it go? Into the numerator. So you are having 2 lakh and the pressure exerted by elephant. Newton per meter square. So we got the values. 25 lakh Newton per meter square. That is the pressure exerted by girl. 2 lakh Newton per meter square. That is the pressure exerted by elephant. Now, comparison. Which one is the bigger value, 25 lakh or 2 lakh? You already know that 25 lakh is more than 2 lakh. So, we are going to find out how much times more the pressure is exerted by the girl as compared to elephant. Pressure exerted by girl divided by pressure exerted by elephant is what? Pressure exerted by girl is 25 lakh. That exerted by elephant 2 lakh. Now chochai 0 0 0 0 chochai. Again one more 0 chochai. 5 zeros are now cancelled. It is 25 upon 2, which is 12.5. So, Girl exerts 12.5 times more pressure as compared to elephant. Okay. I'll teach you whole numerical once again. But before that, only read this much part. Only read. Read it, chalo. Just now don't note it down. First read it. Then I'll give you timing. I'll explain you again. Then I'll give you timing for noting. It is only one numerical is given in your book, which is like good numerical. That is this. And it is a lengthy numerical. Actually, it's not difficult. But the fact is, you have been given over here the area and mass such that like you have to convert it. It's not hard numerical, but it's having little bit of conversion. So just read it. I hope you have read the whole of the numerical. I am now going to teach you the whole numerical once again. Why I am teaching you second time now? You might be thinking because there are some more conversions given. So, in order to see that you don't face any problem, I am doing the same sum. I am doing the same sum again. A girl weighing 50 kilogram is standing on pencil heels, each having an area of cross section of 1 centimeter square. An elephant weighing 2000 kg and foot area cross section of 250 centimeter square is standing on the floor. Which of these two will exert more pressure on the floor? We have to see what is the pressure exerted by the girl and by the elephant. We have been given mass of the girl as 50 kg, area of cross section as 1 centimeter square, total area as 2 centimeters square. Okay, because the area of one pencil hill is 1. So area of 2 pencil hills will be 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeters square. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square will be square it, so it will become 10,000. We are having how much area? 2 centimeter square. So what will be the area in meter square? It is 2 by 10,000. 2 5s are 100 and then zeros. So 1 upon 500 meter square. This is the relation we have done in the beginning. 1 kilogram force is 10 Newton. So 50 kilogram force will be 500 Newton. What is pressure now equal to? Force upon area. Force is 500 Newton. Area is 1 upon 5000. This will go up. 5 5s are 25. And total how many zeros are there? Total you can see 5 zeros. Okay? You can see total how many zeros? 5 zeros. So, the pressure exerted by the girl comes to 25 lakh. Clear? Now, note down this, then I will teach you once again for the elephant and the comparison. Note down this much part. I am giving you 2 minutes time. Quickly note down this much. Now, next. What is given? Pressure exerted by elephant, that we have to find out. Mass of the elephant is given to us as 2 2000 kilogram. Like we converted the mass into kilogram force Newton, in the same way this mass also needs to be converted into Newton. Why? Because the SI unit of force is Newton. So the conversion is necessary. Mass of the girl is 2000 kilograms, so the force exerted by the elephant will be what? 2000 into 10, that is 20,000 Newton. If we forget to write the unit, then it is sometimes like harmful, because sometimes a teacher can cut marks. Then comes area of cross section. Elephant, 1 foot's area of elephant is given to us as 250 centimeters square. Elephant is having how many foots? Elephant is having 4 foots. So 250 into 4, that is 1000 centimeters square. 1 meter square is 10,000 centimeters square. So how many meters square will be 1000 centimeters square? 1000 upon 10,000. 3 zeros will be cancelled out, and you have the area of cross section as 1 upon 10 meter square. What is the pressure now? Force upon area. What is the force? It's 20,000 Newton. What is the area? 1 by 10. Denominator is denominator. Where will it go? Into the numerator. So you are having 2 lakh Newton per meter square. Comparison of pressure, that is pressure exerted by the girl divided by pressure exerted by the elephant. What is the pressure exerted by the girl? It's 25 lakh. What is the pressure exerted by elephant? It's 2 lakh. Cut all the zeros. What is remaining? 25 upon 2. What is half of 25? It's 12.5. So, here the girl is exerting 12.5 times more pressure as compared to elephant. Okay? Note down this part now. Okay, so I hope this content is clear to you. Now we'll see few of the numericals that are like this. In our session that we had done before this, what had we studied? Try to recall. We had studied that because of the area, more the area, less the pressure. Lesser the area, more the pressure. So, on that basis, we had done one numerical also in which a block was given and we were asked to calculate the force that is getting exerted by it. Okay, so I'm giving you one question, you have to try it out. There is a cubical box. You have to try on this. Whose dimensions are 10, 20, 10, 20 and 30. If the force that is exerted on every side, on every of its part is say 300 Newton, you have to calculate pressure exerted on each and every face of this block. Force is given, dimensions are given, you just have to calculate the pressure. This is in centimeter. So, length 30, breadth 10, height 20 centimeter. There are 3 faces, 3 areas and 6 faces, but 2 are repeated. Force is given. Try it out. I am giving you 1 minute time. Try it out. Try it out. We are having 3 areas over here. Area 1 is what? Suppose L into B. That is 30 into 10. Converted into meter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So you are having 2 zeros. Two zeros will get cancelled out. So you are having 3 by 100. Second one, what it will be? B into H. What is the breadth? 10. What is the height? 20. Let's cancel it out. 2 ones are 2 upon 100. Third area, L into H. What is L? 30. H, 20. Six upon 100. That is the third area. Now, pressure on each and every part. P1 is F1 by F by A1. What is the force? 300. What is area? 3 by 100. 300s are, this 100 will go up. So having 100 into 100, which is 10,000 Newton per meter square. Second, P2. That is F by A2. What is the force? It's 300. What is the area A2? 2 by 100. 100 will go up. So, 30,000 upon 2. So, 15,000 Newton per meter square. P3 F by A3. What is the F? 300 Newton. What is the area? A3? 6 upon 100. This 100 will go up and here 6 5s are 30. So 50 into 100, that is 5,000 Newton per meter square. Okay. 6 by 100, 3 by 100 and 2 by 100. More the area, less is the pressure. Less the area, more is the pressure. By looking at just the area, you can say that, but how much it is, that we need to calculate it. Come on now, note it down, then we'll move further. Hello. So, I hope you have noted it down. That's all for the content of the day. Thank you so much, my dear students, for listening to me. I hope you have understood this content very well, and in our next session, we are going to move further on the topic pressure exerted by fluids. That's all for the content of the day. Thank you so much and have a very good day. Bye bye.